Vatialite masaa mavuthu umbano munene wa ngwatanio ya Azimio La Umoja utwaiiwe musyini wa Ilovi kumuthinyani wao ni wathanthatu ngwatanio ya One Kenya Alliance kana oka ila yithiitwe iyivaawa ilikane nayo yiweta kana vai kusukumiiwa kuisa utuma malika ngwatanioni vatena kitumi. Ngwatanio ya oka kwi umunthi niyeekia Saii mwiwano wa kuthukuma kwa vamwe valayu yena siama kauta. Benjamin Mwaka ena livoti.
Masaa ma kutala Vatialite na kana ODM Jubilee na siamile ingi ngwatanioni ya Azimio La Umoja kutwa isi umbano vamwe wa amemba mo kwi uni ngwatanio ya One Kenya Alliance na ilene kwachawa kwa kura sio sumbe mwe na ngwatanio ya Azimio nyumbanini munene ukite ionekana yithiitwe cheo ndongo isio ikumanito munthi Kwikia Saii wano wa kwambisia kuthukumithia ngwatanio ya oka kimiao nisievita thiwonananyo la uende na ndongo isia Azimio ti wa kuungamio mo nthini wa oka utwika musumbe nyumbanini ukite vaithwo ndungi hatio kuthi imwe kwa imwe mpaka 11.
We will not tolerate opaqueness. We will not play second fiddle. We go in as equals.
We will talk to other formations similar to ours, but that does not put a lead on us also going it alone. We are still open.
Promises are there to be broken, but a covenant is a covenant, and we all know that. And our covenant is that we'll put our people first.
If others don't want to engage, we are ready to go to the wire. Correct? We are set. I think after this, nothing stops us. If we find that people are intolerant, people don't want to listen to others, we are set.
Wa ivinda ingi mutongo wa chama chawe pa Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka na ula withiro isukuma muno kukwata mbau usumbi wa Raila Odinga niwaweta ho taundu ikita maunyivanini eli mavitu kumukwata mbau Raila Odinga vayundu tatonekana ateo enda Raila na alange uungua Azimio mavitange miungamo miumo maunena nyani hano maende.
We have made sacrifices before. We are ready to make more sacrifices, but we also expect the Kenyans who know that no individual is indispensable. And we must plan the succession politics of this country.
We don't want to be told this is predetermined. Yes. We want total openness, mutual respect, and equality. Yes. So that if we cede ground, we cede because we think this is the thing to do.
Oka hithire isukumisia kusewa kwa serikali ya ngwatanio ya Azimio oka na ila ikuwetu pamwe oka Jubilee na ODM ila nisio sia manene nthini wa ngwatanio ya Azimio na nzikayoni sia oka kuseuvya mbalasi mwendumu umunthi siama sia MDG cha David Ocheng na Farmers Party cha Irungu Nyakera ni sia liketa luni ya oka na vyo na wananyo wa Jimmy Kibaki na chama chake cha The New Democrats ulikanthini chumani chukite.
We know why we want to unite the country. And so as the leader of MDG party, I'm not lost. I'm in the right place where my heart belongs.
We are not here by mistake or by accident, because we believe in the vision of One Kenya.
And when any party feels uncomfortable, they should be able, with notice to others, to walk away, because it is a coalition of the willing.
Jimmy Kibaki came to see us yesterday. He is consulting, and next week, New Democrats will be joining OKA.
Wandikithwa kwa oka kutwika ngwatanio ya Uteti kuivalanya masavu ma kuseuvya nene ya Azimio La Umoja. Imwe siasiama nthini wa oka hii ni uwetetu kwa utheu kana no ithukumane na Azimio. Atio ingi nthini wa ioka ni siavetangie thisilia thiu kumatene.
Today is when we close one chapter of our journey and open another.
Kuendea kuongeleka kwa siama nthini wa ngwatanio ya One Kenya Alliance ni kitumi kimwe kinene cha ndongo ngwatanioni kuendea kuthingilila kana nongina nthini wa monene nyaho ndela maende ndongo cia ngwatanio isi thiwe na kianda kinene nthini wa ngwatanio yo nthe imbia ile kuvikia na kuseuvwa. Dilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kumava kaunti Ilovi, yaneta wa Benjamin mwaka.